Hey, how are you, streamers? Welcome to the Project Edonard. We have lot of stuff to do. So I started. Let me tell you how this whole project is designed. So this is downtown. We have one, two, three, four towns, separate towns that we have to develop, and then we have to connect them. So I have figured out that these are the highways. These are the default highways. I haven't changed them, and then I figured out where I can develop a town. So these are the four towns that we need to develop. We have international airport here, Daila International Airport. I'm planning to make an over industrial estate here, industrial area rather, and then this is generic industry. So there will be oil industry. I don't know where, but we'll figure it out. And for now, in the last part, we have started developing this airport. This is my first airport with airport DLC. Many things are yet to be decided, figured out, but let's see how it goes. So this thing, okay, garbage has piled up. I don't know how this car will. Okay, there is road. So we need to connect these things. Let's do that. So I've plopped these things here because to remember that what things I have to put in that area, so I can plan it accordingly. Let me just free up that space and let's make it functional for the citizens. So airport area is required. Okay, let's put that in the airport area. We can expand that area later. So I don't know how that this type of road works, but I like that, something new. So we'll definitely try that. This is large cargo airport road. It says that a large road optimized for airport area cargo traffic. Place cargo aircraft stands along this road for maximum efficiency. Okay, cannot be built on slopes. Okay, I guess this is within airport. Let's see. So for now I'm not using them. Let's see, maybe I can figure out how best to utilize that thing. Probably the road I have selected is not stable for airport. Let's use this, the 4-lane road with decorative trees. Usually airport roads are like this. So I don't know, I haven't figured out how this traffic movement will go. As I stream, I'm just taking some decisions and taking a call, making decisions and then doing it. So probably can we have a roundabout here? Can we change the height? Probably we can start with the height part. So this terrain height, let's make it equal to the airport main entrance. So size, yes. So this part is clear. The terrain difference is not much. We can cover it up. So that's a good thing to start to know. Should we have roundabout or what? Could it be only one connection or? Okay, let's try. So there are two roads. Change this road to one with the bus lane because there is this provision of bus lane. Probably they will save some time when we put these buses and all. There is no road. Okay, there might be some road. This airport wala thing. do I extend that road? This one, medium cargo, large cargo. Okay, so this type of road, I don't know, maybe I have to take it from workshop, but for now let's do it with whatever we have. Okay, can there be a bus, the road with bus lane? I don't know, I have no idea how this thing is going to be designed. I have designed airports many times in this game, but then this one is something different. I'm not going to customize it for now. I just wanted to function somehow. We can customize it later as ideas pop up, and then we come to know, okay, this thing has to be there and that thing has to be there. As we come to know those things, we can change it. So now height will be an issue. Worst ever. See the slope. So this is the reference. The airport main entrance slope is the reference, and now let's change the slope of the exit road. This is not that difficult, like there's a lot of space, lot of length we have for that road, so that's not a problem, at least for now. Should we place some statue or something? So statue, which one? Statue of shopping. This I would like to put in city. Oh, you can't zone on this road. Okay, maybe we have to use it this move it mod. Height is too much, I guess, for the airport. Yeah, the height is too much. This one, yeah, this is okay. Okay, it needs road, so we have that invisible road. Not invisible as such, but we can make surface look better on that. I don't like this. What I'll do, I'll place it nearby road and then I'll move it. Still that requires a road connection, right? Yeah, this is okay. So what about without electricity something happened. Okay. Let's connect it from here. We don't have to worry. I think this is safe, so a plane can cross through this. All I'm worried about is when a big plane comes, its wings, it should not be too close to this control tower. So let's see. Now the airport is working at least, so it is demanding what? Garbage is piled up. It is demanding garbage cleanup or garbage cleanup service. So for now, this is my habit. So let's put it near to this hotel, airport hotel. Let's put it for now. Let's see. So the planes are coming. I want to see a plane going through this area, whether that is crossing, whether that is touching the control tower. Okay, I guess we can wait for some time till it functions very well. The another thing I wanted to do is to make a railway station, an elevated railway station at this end. So while we enter in the city, we have this terminal here, we have this central station, we have one railway station here, and then we have one station over here. So citizens can use these stations if they want to. Some express trains can also stop over here. We can also have a local train that we have in Mumbai region that I travel a lot, not a lot, but yeah, I occasionally travel. So maybe we can use them, because later on we will be having industrial area over here. We might have some zoning in this area, and we might extend this railway to through this thing or somewhere through here to the towns. So maybe that these stations will be helpful. So some trains they can stop in this region. Okay, what these two planes are doing? Okay, they are landing. What's the issue? I guess they're not finding buyers. Okay, that's fine. I guess we have done a lot of things. We have put cargo airport, we have put trains. They should be able to export their materials, and then the demand for a population is low, so I don't know why they are finding it difficult. One reason might be they want workers to live nearby, so that because there is no transportation system now, so workers have to travel on their own. So probably after some time we will have a public transport system. The reason I don't put public transport system earlier, because you don't know how this city is going to expand, and later it becomes difficult to change the lines and where these all buses are passing from. What is happening in these homes? Not enough customers. Okay, so these are commercial zones, not enough customers. Okay, because I changed in through the realistic population mod, I changed how many people will live in particular house. So now the actual population size is decreasing, and there might be a death wave. So let's see, city statistics, birth rate, death rate. Okay, so it was a bit high, so maybe because of that they are facing this problem. Let's see. Okay, so I wanted to install this one elevated station, so I added few in the Steam workshop. See if they have been added, because there was a problem with this elevated station pack. So it comes with ready-made pack, but there was problem with that building. Is this building okay? So this is my usual practice. Whenever I have multiple things to select from, I just go on and check which one is better. I guess we have only one elevated station here. That's fine. So we'll go with this. We need a road connection. Let it be perpendicular. Oh, which road I had selected? You want this normal road for now? It has to be ground. So the challenge is slope. Now the challenge in our all this railway station, all the stuff is slope. And on this side, but I don't think that would be an issue because I'll be changing this track, so I don't think there will be a major issue in this. So in future I'll plan to change this station with 2 tracks because I see a lot of traffic will go from this road. There is cargo, there is this traffic coming to city, going from city, and then there is this other traffic which actually doesn't go to city but it will pass through this track. So there will be a lot of traffic, so we can't make a lot of stops in the station, but at least for now. But as the traffic increases, we need to change the station type. I was planning to make a bypass, but then having bypass and then connecting it to this sharp turn, it is possible, but I don't see that as a realistic solution. So what I would prefer is I will have 2 tracks. One track is for, say, obviously for each direction or something, and then we can have trains. We can make a lot of stops for the trains. So okay, so the slope we need to change the slope. This seems okay for me. The slope is okay. Okay, this should be fine. What about this height? This is okay. This is about the tree height. Yeah. So I wanted to do this since long time, but I was not getting this elevated station. Actually, I didn't find it. So there was issue with this earlier elevation stations pack, and it also shows error when I start playing this game. So whenever that building is corrected, new update is available, maybe that problem will be fixed. We need electricity here. Garbage is an issue, but I guess garbage trucks can go through this. I do have traffic lights on this roundabout. Putting traffic lights on the roundabout actually kills the idea of roundabout. So road traffic in the city, it's 7 to 3 better. So in the previous part we had or before that we had 69%, so now it is better. There is scope to improve, but I don't think we should do it now. So I see some vehicles are going exiting the city using this road, so maybe we can build an alternative, and we can give one exit from here, or say here, but because if you give exit from here, they will get less time and distance to change their lanes. We'll see that. Okay, let me zone this area. Okay, there is no demand for residential population. What we can do is we can, so to be frank, I didn't like this interchange, so I'll install few more interchanges. So this is no-brainer stuff. I don't want to waste my time in designing these intersections. Rather, I would do designs like this. This is very simple. Looks crude to me now, but yeah. But I enjoyed designing this part. And as we develop the nearby areas later on, some metro line will go and maybe a railway line will go through this area. This area will look cooler, like what happened with this. So now this looks cooler. Even when the buildings are there, now it looks cooler. It makes some sense and had some aesthetics to it. What happened to the airport? Why the planes are not coming, going, flying? I don't know what happened. So this issue is still not resolved, and I'm surprised. I see this garbage truck. Where is this coming from? Here only. Is it that big problem that an airport has to shut down? I don't know why the planes are not flying. I don't see any plane. Okay, here we go. No, these are not landing in our space, our airport. Where are they going? I don't know. But yeah, our cargo airport is full busy. So, and I see some reduction in traffic from here, because earlier it used to be very full and vehicle used to be throughout this road, but now it's not the case. So these all are cargo airplanes, right? I guess there is huge demand, and this should not have happened, but yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, one more plane. Yes, boy, we are waiting for you only. This is something we call a threesome, and that's happening. What happened to these industries? I guess they are okay. These industries are not okay. They are not finding enough buyers. Your problem. These industries are doing well. Okay, this industry is shut. What's the reason? Abandoned. No one was buying their products. Thank you. You can leave. Okay, these are interesting. I have opened them for the first time, so I don't know. So how do we? There are no planes. How do we assess what's the issue? What's the problem? Okay, so we still need to build industrial area. I don't know why this game is showing that we need industrial area. Cargo airport hub, cargo airport. So now there is demand for cargo airport hub. Okay. What happened to the airplanes? So let it be. I'm not focusing on that now. So, oh, there it is. Okay, it is landing. 45 people have arrived. Maybe a few more will. Okay, there is another one. Large aircraft style. Okay, so this will go here. Oh, the trees. Wait a minute. Need to clear the taxiway. Okay, now you can move. So the reason we have this cargo train station distribution center rail is how they call it, because I wanted to reduce this traffic from this industrial area to this area, this downtown, the very end of that, the beach end. Yeah, there are many people on beach. I didn't expect this many people will be here, but yeah, this is better. Then we can still improve this part. Oh. Okay, this is interesting. That is actually borderline, a safe line we have on beaches. I don't know what do they call them, but yeah, I don't want people to cross this line. I think this is too safe. I could have done it over here, but let it be. So this is city hall. I haven't put trees, so there will be. This will be covered by trees, so it will look better. Maybe I can do it now. Otherwise, it seems that something is missing. So nothing is missing. It's just like I didn't put those trees. Area, because that is some historic area, so even within the city I haven't put any trees, so usually I do this stuff at the end of the city planning, because then otherwise the PC slows down. I have experienced this because they have to render a lot of objects which otherwise I could have skipped. So usually do this at the end of the game when I feel bored and I think now this is end. I don't want to move ahead further. So then I do this stuff. So this is better that we can do a lot of stuff here. I have not thought of it, so I'll not touch it for now. There are very few planes, let me tell you, because I have seen lot many planes in previous part. This airport, maybe the demand is not that much. It will pick up for sure. Shall we have a bus system, a public transport system? We have a lot of things to cover now, and I think the shape of the city, the roads and all the basic things are in place. Maybe we can think about it. So let's start with this biofuel depot, which is my favorite part. Where can we put it? So it should be okay. This is some useless area. In the school region, no. But it should be in main road because buses will be using that depot or near to that. So let's put it here. What type of bus stands do we have? This is terminal, this is city, this is modern bus station. Then we have these intercity terminals. I guess intercity bus station, the smaller one. And then we have intercity bus terminal, the larger one. Okay, where to put what? Definitely in this downtown we need one intercity bus terminal. They will end up here. So what would be the optimum location? Here, because it is near to beach, it is near to this palace, whatever it is. What is this? I can't even pronounce. So it's just a building I saw. I don't know its historic context or something. I found it. Okay, this can be here, and then I placed it. So where do we put? So it is, this part is actually near to the city hall. People who want to visit any part of area, this seems to be a convenient place. Again, this is very near. It takes lesser path from the highway, so you just need to use this roundabout and directly come over here. So from this highway also it will be like, so you don't need to go in this area. If I put it somewhere here, it has to cross through all these things. So shall we put it somewhere in the center, or then it will have that bus traffic? Let's do it here. Bus terminal, right? Oh, it takes a lot of space. Sorry, you have to go. Thank you for being here. Okay, for now I'll just paint this nearby area to show that this bus terminal actually is like this. And then this road, it's curvy, right? come back. Okay, so the terrain is flat now. This is better. What next? Because I'm surprised with the number of planes that are coming to the city, but and this is international airport. Okay, this garbage thing, we need to do something. I was planning to start an industrial area in this region. Let's do it. So I'm joining a normal district, and then later I'll change it to generic industry. So can't I do that for this? Okay, so when I do it for generic, it doesn't show anything. When I do it for other stuff, it shows something. Okay. So if there is nothing, means it is generic industry. I haven't been following these things. I was just playing the game. But now that I'm streaming, I think I should know these things. So this is a generic industry. And this normal district zoning, let me delete it. So industry roads, so there will be two entrances. One is from this direction, which I'm planning, because if you see the terrain, let me show you. So this highway is actually going down. It's too down, the slope is too much, and then there is some, so it is leveling up here. So what we can do, we can bring this road to this downtown area directly. So this is one thing. This is one entrance, then from here we will have second entrance, and this will be the third one, but this is mostly for this town people, and then this highway connections over here. So and one we have to take for this city airport, but we can have cargo airport separately for this thing. We'll come back to this later on. We'll first put this more bus terminals in the city. One terminal we will have in this region. I think the safest one, what is the optimum location for putting a bus terminal in this area? So this we plan that buses coming from this highway will be coming here mostly, and then buses coming from this one, so we can have it somewhere here, where it is near to the nature reserves park, near to the roundabout. It may increase some traffic in the roundabout, but yeah, maybe on the roundabout only we can have that thing. We'll just move it to move this thing. They will be automatically deleted in some time, but I want that thing to happen now, so I deleted them manually. Let's see how that thing functions, and then maybe we can make changes accordingly. I want to see the enter and exit. It is supposed to enter from here and exit from here. If it exits from here, again it will, I don't know, it will have to make a full circle and come back. So let's see how that works. Otherwise we'll shift it to on the left side and then see if it exits on this node. We don't have any normal train station in this region, so maybe we can put one so that people can travel at least till this end. Okay, let's do it. It will be a normal. Should it be a normal station or? This one. Yeah, it fits to this nearby this building. Let's go with this, and one on the other side also. Let's not do it on other side, so at least for now. So what I'm thinking is we can have under station here, and then we can make a bridge, pedestrian bridge, the skywalk, so that they can cross the rail tracks. We'll do it in the future. Once we have traffic, we have trains going in that direction. Seems okay to me, not that realistic, but yeah, this thing is demanding power. It is supposed to solve the water problem we had earlier, but anyhow I put more pumping stations and that problem was solved. Yeah, we see airplanes, not on this runway though, but yeah, there are few coming. So this design actually looks like an Air India plane from a distance, if you have seen the Air India logo. I guess we can stop here. It has been how much, 46 minutes since we started. Maybe I'll come with some more rigid design, so like what to do in the next stream. Probably we'll start with this industrial area, but if something comes to my mind, we'll start designing that. So let's see. Okay, for now I'm signing out. Let's save the game. Thanks for being here and